Hey guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. We have another headband wig review video today for you guys. I'm so excited because we have a sponsor today, you guys. So today's video is sponsored by Nia Wigs, and this is what the wig came in. Such a cute little satin bag, great for storage. So I'm so excited to be doing this video for you guys today. I love headband wigs, and I've probably reviewed at least 2 or 3 already on my channel, and you guys are gonna keep seeing these because I just feel like every girl needs a headband wig. Like, you need a headband wig. Like, it is just the easiest thing. Like, when nothing else is working out, or you're in a rush, or something comes up last minute and you maybe decide you want to go out but you don't feel like slicking a wig down or something, or doing your natural hair but your hair is already braided, whatever, sis, okay? Headband wigs are so easy. So this is one of their curly 24-inch headband wig units. It does look short. It is 24 inches long, you guys. So let me show you. If you pull it, of course, it comes all the way down to my waist. If you guys buy curly hair, then you know that it does say 24 inches, but the hair is only like this long. So yeah, still super cute, you guys. Great, like, little natural length. I really love the way this looks. So this is, let me show you guys the exact how it looks in the lighting, the hair, and I'm going to show you guys the hair right out of the pack. I'm going to unbox it for y'all as well, but I just want to go ahead and show y'all what I did. And this is the headband that they sent me. They sent me one more too, a gray version. Let me go ahead and open this one up. I pretty much only wear this leopard print. I have another one like this, so I'm pretty much only wear leopard print headbands like when I wear these because they're so easy. So here's a gray version, and you can have it. Let me show y'all. It's gonna come in the pack like this, as a lot of them do, but if you put this on, you'll be able to see the black band through. So normally you open it the opposite way, and then you can get just the little like crisscross feature here, so you get a wider band to cover that black part in this area. So as far as the cap construction goes, you're going to be able to see, I think I'm going to show you a clip of me when I unbox it, but you're going to have your combs, I believe 2 or 3 here, your one in the back. It does come with adjustable straps. The cap is, I would say, like average head. So yeah, I really like this unit a lot, you guys. So let's go ahead and just jump right into me unboxing it, and I'm going to style it on camera for y'all as well. unboxing the unit and me installing it, as you guys can see, pretty much just threw it on my head. This is how the unit comes basically straight out of the box. So you guys saw me spray just that little bit of water and use a little bit of this Camille Rose aloe whipped butter gel just right at the top. I did take a little bit of Eco Styler off camera and just put it in this area because there were some like really short flyaways at the top. So I went ahead and just kind of slicked that down, and that is it. So basically none of this portion of the hair has any type of product on. This is literally how it comes straight out of the pack. And I like to do this because some people really do need the unit to come just straight out of the pack, just looking good. And I want to let you know this is one of those, okay? So you really don't have to do anything to this unit. Of course, I'm going to wash it at some point and, you know, condition it and all that good stuff, but it smells great. No smell. It smells like hair, like doesn't have, like when you buy bundles, it has like the smell of bundles. It doesn't really smell like anything specifically. It's very soft. I love the curl pattern, has a great density. It's nice and full, but not like super big, which is really great. So yeah, I don't even think I have too much more to say about this unit. I really love it. This will definitely be one of my everyday units. So thank you so much to Nia Wigs for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about anything, leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up on your way out. Subscribe, sis, because more videos are coming. Crochet is going to be next, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.